What's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla and today we're going to be learning Halloween signs. Because Halloween is soon and I'm so excited. And comment below what you guys are going to be. So the first sign is Halloween. 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 Second sign is candy. 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 Okay, now trick or treat. So you knock on the door and then kind of get it. So trick or treat. Okay, pumpkin. 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 Okay, now next sign is cat. 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 You can always do it with one hand, but cat. Cat. Okay, scared or scary. Always make sure you have facial expressions because if you're saying that's scary and your happy face, it kind of contradicts. So that's my best scared face. Okay, the last one is costume. So this is a sign for clothes, but for like a Halloween costume, you would do Halloween clothes and people would know that's costume. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you have a great Halloween. And yeah, thank you for watching.